I wanted to take charge of my life at this stage and be able to work from anywhere because I want to start traveling more. I want to add income to my already part-time position, and I want to do what I love, which is marketing, meeting people, and selling products that I feel great about. The most valuable part is the fact that Neil and Karen have been doing this for decades. They absolutely know every in and out, and the fact that we got to implement finally what we've been working on, contacting the suppliers, getting their responses, understand how to do the negotiations, and just tap into all of their expertise because they're phenomenal. Neil and Karen, there's no hidden agenda with them. They truly want to help you, and that gives me the just extra bit of confidence to know I can do it. I absolutely believe that with all of the module training that I did beforehand, the 3 days of hands-on, one-on-one attention, that I absolutely will make this successful.